Okay, the super fast review of allowances and selections. So the first thing we did was import our templated selections. We can do that either by going, starting inside our job, going to import selections, and we can import an entire template from here. Entire meaning you can't specify which of the individual selections you want and don't want. Or you can go to the template itself, and select the items you want to send, and then checked actions, copy, and you'll punch in the job you want it to go to, and it'll send over just the selections you want. And or you could create them from scratch, and it doesn't matter where they come from. You will just punch in the correct allowance total right there and hit save, and you're done. So once we've got all those totaled up correctly, we're going to go to the estimate tab, where we will make sure that the allowances and selections are zeroed out underneath the general items, and the number underneath markup, and the allowances and selections under the general items, those numbers should be the same, just like they are here. So once that is the case and this is zeroed out, then we're going to have an appropriate job contract price, and we will approve the estimate. Whenever the estimate is approved, it will generate a new tab in our budget, and also here, and we're going to have the new expected. We'll go to the new expected, and here we will toggle everything under the allowances and selections from allowances, which is what it will be by default, allowance, to choices. Everything here should be choices. Once this is done, then we can start building our choices or approving our choices inside the selections feature. Whenever we build a choice, we need to make sure that everything is cost coded to allowances and selections. So here, everything is coded to allowances and selections, and we are not using the markup feature at all. These will always be 0. That's very important. Otherwise, you're going to get lost in your numbers. So everything gets coded to allowances and selections, and we don't use the markup feature. As soon as a choice is approved, it will modify the new expected under the allowances and selections cost code, adding $1,000, and then as soon as you create your bill, it will generate under the bills and POs column. So these numbers will be very similar all throughout the job. The only other thing is just to make sure that the update job running total button is toggled on, and that should pretty much cover it.